In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a back-to-top button to your Shopify store. This simple feature gives shoppers a quick way to jump back to the top of long pages, improving navigation and making your store feel more polished. First, head to the Shopify App Store. You can get there from your Shopify admin by opening the Apps section and clicking through, or by visiting the App Store directly in your browser. In the search bar, type Back to Top or Scroll to Top. You'll see a variety of options built specifically for this function. Take a moment to look at ratings, recent reviews, screenshots, and pricing. Some apps are completely free, and many offer free trials, which is perfect if you want to test the look and performance. Also, check the app description for compatibility notes and any features you care about, like icon options or animation controls. Once you've found an app that suits your needs, click to install it. Shopify will show you the permissions the app requires so you can review them before approving. If there's a free plan or trial, select it to get started without commitment. Installation is usually quick, and when it's done, you'll be directed to the app's settings panel inside your Shopify admin. Now it's time to customize the button. Most back-to-top apps let you control the icon or text, color, size, shape, and where the button sits on the screen, commonly the bottom right corner. Choose a color that contrasts well with your background, so it's easy to see, and pick a size that's noticeable, but not intrusive. You can adjust when the button appears, often after the visitor scrolls a certain distance, and select an animation style for how it fades or slides in. If your theme has a sticky header or a chat widget, consider nudging the button's position so elements don't overlap. Keep animations smooth and subtle for a professional feel, and make sure the button is large enough to tap comfortably on mobile devices. After you've made your selections, save your changes. Open your storefront, scroll down a page. Save, and you should see the back-to-top button appear. Click it to confirm the scroll behavior feels natural and responsive. If you don't see it right away, refresh your page and verify you saved the settings. That's it. Your store now has a user-friendly shortcut that makes browsing faster and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If this helped, feel free to continue refining the design until it perfectly matches your brand.